In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut for Gmail on desktop. First, open Google Chrome. You can find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you click on it, the browser will launch and you'll see a clean interface ready for browsing. This step is crucial as Chrome is the best browser for this task. It provides seamless integration with Gmail and other Google services. You'll want to ensure you have the latest version of Chrome for optimal performance. Once you see the homepage, you know you're ready to proceed. Next, go to https://mail.google.com. You can type this address directly into the address bar at the top of the Chrome window. Press the Enter key once you've entered the URL. This action will take you directly to the Gmail login page. If you're already logged into your Gmail account, you will arrive at your inbox. This step matters because it sets the stage for creating your shortcut. You need to be on the Gmail page to ensure the shortcut works correctly. Now click the three dots in the top right corner. These dots represent the Chrome menu and are often referred to as the More menu. When you click on it, a drop-down list appears with various options. This is an important moment as accessing this menu opens up additional features that Chrome offers. You'll see options for printing, zooming, and even the ability to manage your bookmarks. This menu is your gateway to customizing your Chrome experience. From there, select Cast, Save, and Share, Create Shortcut. This option allows you to create a shortcut right from your browser. When you click on it, a small dialog box will pop up, prompting you for further details. This is essential because it directly initiates the process of creating the shortcut. A shortcut will make accessing Gmail much faster in the future. You will appreciate the convenience it brings. Next, enter a name for your shortcut. You might want to use something simple like Gmail. This name is what will appear on your desktop or in your Applications folder later. Choosing a clear name is important for easy identification. You want to be able to recognize it at a glance. Once you enter the name, ensure it reflects the purpose of the shortcut. This small detail can save you time later on. After that, check the box that says Open as Window. This step is optional but highly recommended. When you select this option, Gmail will open in its own window, resembling a standalone app. This makes for a more focused experience, free from distractions like other browser tabs. It feels like using a dedicated application, enhancing your productivity. Once you click this option, you're one step closer to your new shortcut. Finally, click Create. This action confirms all your previous choices and creates the shortcut on your desktop. You may see a brief loading screen as the shortcut is generated. Once it's done, you will find the new Gmail shortcut on your desktop. This makes sure your changes are saved, and you can now access Gmail quickly and easily whenever you need it. You did it! Now you have successfully created a shortcut for Gmail on your desktop. This process streamlines your workflow and makes it more efficient. Thank you for following along and enjoy your new Gmail shortcut.